Hey YouTube, I'm about to show you a YouTube application. No, 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 no. I'm not talking about these ones where you download it right here and you install the app. No, no, no. Not this YouTube app. Like this is cool and all. This is awesome. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so great. And I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about this right here. This is the YouTube app I'm talking. Whoa, God. All right. This is the app I'm talking about. Yeah. So this is YouTube Music right here. This is a new YouTube desktop application. Definitely check it out. It's pretty cool. It's the same thing, exactly like this, but just a little bit more features. You got your plugins here. You got your Explorer, still the same thing, just like everything else. So I definitely advise you to check it out if you want to. It's exactly like the desktop application, testing purposes, trading purposes only, trading purposes only. All you got to do is definitely go to the link that I'm going to send you here. You can go there, download it here from GitHub app. It's an amazing community here. Check it out. You know what I'm saying? Some amazing people right here who made it. Just made it easier for you to use YouTube Music on your computer. You know what I'm saying? Definitely check it out. Let me know if you like it. I'm put it in the description below. Let me know. And yeah, if you have any questions about it, you already know. And if you need any extra information to help you out install this, uh, just let me know again. All right. Peace.